Okay, y'all. Hi, how you doing? So I'm doing passion twist on myself today. So going from this to this, I did it by myself. Whew, okay, y'all, let's get into this tutorial. So the hair that I'm using is the Free Twist Water Wave. 22-inch hair. This is what it looks like. You're gonna see how I'm doing it to see how I achieved beyond waist length passion twist. And how I do this to save a little coin. I bought this 2 combs and a mirror for $64 here in Texas. So yeah, let's get into it.
Oh, put it all on me. Right now I need it all. All. Tell all your friends it's my fault. Then I'm the one that always start this. I'm the one that's so heartless. Tell them I lost it. Don't tell them about the wild nights in Austin. Don't tell them I'm up in your apartment. Oh. Don't tell it all. You probably won't tell at all. I'm not all. Right now, girl, I need it all. Oh. Put it all on me. On me. Don't need much, just need all. Oh, oh. Need it all for me. For me. You got too high and come down was hard. Don't know how we got this far. Mama probably thinks she got a new son-in-law. Mama see a good man, she think I'm so sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Only thing you see is a dog. I guess right now I need it all, 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 all. Tell your friends you got it, baby girl, you grown. Tell your nigga he can't get it till I'm gone. You'll be good tomorrow, but right now I need all. After this, you'll probably never hit my phone. Act like we ain't never met, I never know. We'll be good tomorrow, but right now I need. Girl, you knew what you wanted before you ever thought about what you needed. Tell me, are those your own ideas, or are they from somebody else? I'd rather see somebody else, 'cause I stopped thinking it'd be different, thinking that you listen, thinking that I'm better when I'm with you. Girl, I stopped thinking that I need you, thinking I should keep you, thinking it getting better. Now I'm better. Gave me every reason not to think that you were the one to believe in. I put my faith in you one time, that's all I needed. You swore that you would hold me down, I've yet to see it. I'm praying you can figure out what all this indecision's about. I'm ballin', doing digits now, and I ain't tryna risk it, I ain't tryna fix it. 'Cause I stopped thinking it'd be different, thinking that you listen, thinking that I'm better when I'm with you. Girl, I stopped thinking that I need you, thinking I should keep you, thinking it getting better. Now I'm better. If you'd have gave your love, you would have had everything inside. Swear to God, it'll change your life, 'cause my heart I hope to die, but you just pressed your luck, and now baby I'm pressed on time. Gotta catch this flight, but keep all of my songs up on your playlist. That way I know I'm still playing through your mind. I know it gets you tight, knowing I can get you right, but I'm gonna leave it wrong, and later I'm gonna hit your line to see if you're fine. But I'm better. Every single thing I wanted, that was what I said. Till you started tripping, letting little things get to your head. I was on a mission, never running from commitment. You so worried about the women, I don't get it. I been down and stayed down, despite who came round. I took the blame out, that got so played out. Drifting away now, you thought I cheated, that's so egregious. I can't believe that you think that I'm that way. I lost my patience, I go out working, you go outrageous. You don't deserve this love that you taking. Don't wanna say it, we ain't gon' make it. We lost our way, Now it's too late, Treasuring time, just want what's mine. Oh yeah, you keep the rest, okay. Don't need the stress, no way. treasuring time, ring time. Well, at least mine. Yeah, crazy thinking it was all for
That's just a phase, ain't it? Yeah. It was a shame we waited, yeah. Should've moved on a long time ago. Now we stuck in this big cloud of smoke.
I talked to your mom when you faded, yeah. She always wished we had dated, yeah. South of the border vacations. Guess we'll never know what to make of it. Every time I see you, it's a makeup kiss. Say you doing fine, don't pull up to your house. Then you change your mind, I'm on that freeway now. North on 45, you know I'm creeping and crawling. Roommate out tonight, brought me up to your apartment. Say you moving on, but you can never let it go. Where we should have been, we'll never get to know. Cause we lost our way. Now it's too late. Treasuring time, ring time. Just want what's mine. You keep the rest, okay. Don't need the stress, no way. Treasuring time, ring time. Well, at least mine. Yeah. Crazy thinking it was all for you.
It's your birthday, blow a bag. You just came up on some bands. Everybody know you bad. Louder for them in the back. They be hating from the side, mad because they know it's real. You forgot to pay your bills. You ain't mad, you got them bills, though. They got some paper in your pocket, making moves straight up. Ain't making moves straight up. Ain't making moves like that. They shot my players and my partners making moves like that. Ain't making moves straight up. Ain't making moves. Hey, from the north side of my city on the south of the mountain, I put 2 foes in the air just to make it exact. Throwing ones up in the air just to show where we headed. Throwing more up in the air cause we making it back. Like that. Hold up, pose, big cheese, icy, cold, big threes. Never had it, so I had to go get it. Then my people put me on, told me, boy, don't be ignorant. Half them niggas really broke, all them cars they got rented. The other half that really got it, hardly ever gon' spend it. Take that stack and go flip it. That's somersaulting, salty, but that don't make no money, so that don't make a difference. They got some paper in your pocket, making moves straight up. Ain't making moves straight up. Ain't making moves like that. They shot my players and my partners making moves like that. Ain't making moves straight up. Ain't making moves straight up. Hey, flip mode, I might do the dash if you gas like a sicko. Please don't try to brag if you can't blow a zip code. Talk to God, he told me write a check in my Stroh's hat. Make it to myself, I say how much, he say no cow. That was hats off, ay, hard as hacksaw, ay, y'all is mask off, ay, I might shoot my shot like Future with the mask off, ay, I'm the one but the zeros had to tack on, ay, that mean racks on, ay, I mean mad long, ay, off of rap songs, ay, can I ask some? Paper in your pocket making moves straight up, ain't making moves straight up, ain't making moves like that. They shot my players and my partners making moves.
Okay guys, so
Making moves straight up.
I cut some pieces out because I got started doing my hair at 5:30, 6 o'clock, and it is now 11:15. Yeah, so please be aware, if you do want to do this hairstyle by yourself, you need to take off for the full day or at least half the day, so that you can do your hair with no interruptions. I was slowed down because I was, talking on the phone, stuff like that. So it slowed my process down. And it's been a while since I've done my hair like this. It used to take me like a whole 8 hours back in grade school when I was in like 8th grade. Yeah, I didn't want to spend $300. Only paid $60. And here we are now in the flesh. Most people put mousse on their hair. I'm not doing all that. It makes me itch. So yeah, that's just that on that. Let me tie this up real quick because, yeah. And they already unraveled like yeah, y'all. So I don't know if I'm doing this stuff right, but this is just how I do it. I don't know if I'm not twisting it tight enough or what, or if that's just how it does. I'm used to kinky twist. You know, that hair kinky, it sticks to itself. You don't really have to do too much. But we gonna see how this goes. So far, like I said, I like it. It's cool. I have my hair up like this for a couple weeks. Unless I have to keep, you know, doing this. And that's that on that. I'll just literally take one down and retwist with a kinky twist, because yeah, who ain't got time? Me, I don't have time for this. But y'all let me know. I'm thinking about when I'm ending them off to braid it a little bit to see if it'll hold the braid instead of the twist. I don't know. I was watching Filthy Rich Tresses video on it earlier, but I didn't watch the full video, so that's maybe my fault for not watching the full video. But yeah, so it's late. Just got done. I'm about to just grab some of these corner pieces to I can tie it or put a scrunchie. I'm gonna put a kind of scrunchie. But yeah, all right guys, so that's it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get these videos recorded and out to you guys. My computer doesn't work. I do apologize, it still doesn't work. So I'm editing all this on my phone. It's gonna look a little ratchet, but y'all get the point. All right guys, stay blessed and manifest. See you later.